back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul because I wanted to finish a level 1, which I did, and apparently I did finish level 2 without even knowing about it. And then I also hit the bonus. There's a bonus that just started today that I was not aware of, so I wanted to finish that bonus because you guys really enjoy these videos, and I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the Febreze. These were $8.84. There is a $4 off coupon on FebrezeInWash.com. You guys will end up paying $4.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on checkout 51, making this just $1.84. Now there's a deal where if you buy both of these, or any 2 of the Walmart items, you get a 50-cent bonus. So, $1.84. I also got the Downy Wrinkle Releaser Plus. Now, Running Kimono did this deal. Now, somehow she can get to do these deals on both Saving Star and Checkout 51. I have 2 different emails attached to both accounts, and they still are like somehow connected to each other, so it's either one or the other. I'm trying to not click everything on Saving Star, and I'm trying to save it for Checkout 51, because usually Checkout 51 resets. You guys can do these deals multiple times. So the Downy Wrinkle was $6.97. I used a $3 off coupon that or a $2 off coupon that you guys can find on the website. I don't know if they have it on here. I think it's just DownyWrinkleReleasePlus.com is where at the website. You guys would end up paying just $4.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Checkout 51, making this just $2.97, which could be a good deal. Since I bought both of those, I will be getting a 50-cent bonus. So yeah, I went crazy over CoverGirl because why not? Now, here's the thing. Your store should allow you guys to use that 6 off of 2 coupon. The reason why, because it still goes through. It's just that any coupons over $5, any coupon that takes over $5 off, they need to have a customer service person, a CSM manager, so a cashier on duty. Those guys are the ones who just got to prove it. All they do is just type in a code and they're good to go. So your store should be able to use those coupons. If not, I know there was some previous CoverGirl coupons that you guys were able to print off, and those scanned no problem. So for these were $3.94. They are the brows. I used that 6 off of 2 coupon. So I ended up paying $1.88 for both of these. So then you guys can also submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta times 2. So this ends up becoming a $4.12 money maker. So I got these absolutely free. I also did the CoverGirl mascara. This was $4.49. I used a $3 off coupon that we were able to print a long time ago. I paid $1.49 for this, but then you can also submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a $1.51 moneymaker. So try to make all 3 purchases for 3 items and make them a moneymaker. Now, if you guys cannot use coupons, you guys can I scanned the single eyeshadows, and that rebate worked for the single eyeshadow. So if you guys do that, that's a 50-cent moneymaker. So no coupon needed, and you guys can get some eyeshadow. So just letting you guys know on that. I ended up getting the Kiwi shoe cleaner. Now, this was $5.46. I used a $2 off coupon that's on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $3.46 but then you guys will get $4 back with Ibotta, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. Now, one of you guys just messaged me, Robin. Thank you. I did click her referral link, but somehow it didn't work. But I just joined Swagbucks. I have no idea really how to use that. But I do have a link below, and what they want you to do is just answer some daily questions. They want you to buy stuff through their website. They want you to do this, and they want you to do that. I will answer the questions and take a couple surveys and submit some of my receipts, but there's some information that I don't need to do. But they give you points for, you know, looking at certain websites. But if you guys are interested, I just joined Swagbucks. A lot of you guys, I do know, use it. It's just a little tricky to use. But if you guys want, I have the referral link below, and I think you guys get points if you guys click my referral link. So, and there's a deal where if you buy one of these, you get points. There's a deal also where if you buy 2 of them, you get like bonus points. So I submitted my receipt for that already. I ended up getting the Poise pads. Now these were $4.84. I used a $3 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $1.84, but then there is a $1 off rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 84 cents. So I just wanted to get it because I haven't gotten that stuff for a while, so why not get stuff that I haven't gotten for a while? I ended up getting the children's Zyrtec. Now they have the bubblegum flavor and they have the grape flavor. These are $10.94. There is a $4 off coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. So you guys will end up paying $6.94 for this. But then you guys can also submit a $4 rebate on Ibotta. So this ends up becoming just $2.94, which I think it's good. I've never tried Zyrtec, but I don't know what the age is on here. It doesn't tell me. It just says kids 2 and under 6 years of age. Oh, it looks like adults can use it too. But it looks like, I don't know. Maybe Ben can take it. I don't know. I'd have to read it more, but for $2.94, that's a pretty decent deal. Ended up getting the Country Crock butter. The coupons did expire on Saturday or Sunday, but this was $1.98 at my store. I paid $1.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. Now, a while back ago, this was also on Savings Star and Checkout 51. Since I did it to my Savings Star, I cannot submit it to Checkout 51, but I forgot to submit my receipt, so I'm going to submit my receipt for a 75-cent rebate. So this ends up becoming just 23 cents after the rebate for both of those. I ended up getting the Canada Dry ginger ale and lemonade. This was $1. My store had all their soda marked $1, except this one it said $1.38. But I checked my receipt when I got home and it did say it was $1. So you guys would pay $1 for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 50 cents. And my husband tried this. I'm not a ginger ale person, but my husband did try this. He says it's pretty good. And it's not like his favorite, but he likes to drink it and he can mix it with things. So that's one thing he got. Now, I went through the Easter stuff at Walmart and people were just going crazy. I mean, you couldn't even get through they had one aisle and you couldn't even get through the aisle with a cart. It was so bad. And these ladies are just grabbing stuff here and there and I'm like, oh my God. You go to Target and everybody's calm, cool, collected, but Walmart, it's just like bam, 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 bam. And I'm just like, okay, I'll just walk away. But I ended up finding Kinder Eggs. Now I went and scanned these. These scanned at 62 cents a piece. And I want to get more of these because these are great prices, but I don't know how fast they're going to sell. So these were 62 cents a piece. I used that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just get these for 24 cents for 2 of them. You can also submit a 15-cent rebate on checkout 51 for any chocolate. So it ends up being free if you guys do it that way, but without that checkout 51, it just comes to be 12 cents a piece or 24 cents. So I had 3 coupons on me. I wish I got more, or I wish I cut out more. So for 12 cents, my son will love these. These are for when he goes potty. You know, we give those to him after he goes potty. So could not go wrong with that. So that was my Walmart haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but I wanted to finish a couple levels to share with you guys. So my total after coupons came to $29.12. I got $19.50 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back for level 1. I just needed to get 10 rebates to finish level 1, and I did that. Or to finish level 2. I just needed 10. I needed 6 rebates to finish level 1. 10 rebates to finish level 2, so I did that. I also got the spring showers bonus where I needed 12 rebates, and so between Target and Walmart today I got that, so that was a $2 bonus. I got $5.15 back with checkout 51, plus I also will be getting a 50-cent bonus from checkout 51 for buying the 2 Walmart items, and then I got 75 cents from Savings Star. So if you guys think about it, I got everything for 22 cents. 22 cents for 16 items. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. That's like a penny and a half or something each. But I'm so excited to share with you guys the deals that I got. You guys know I'm excited, and I love when you guys message me telling me what you got. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you guys. If you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely do it. Ibotta is my favorite all-time I guess, app. Why can't I think? And I think Country Crock, you guys can also scan with your Fetch rewards because it is a Unilever. So I think you get bonus points with that. So, but yeah, that was my haul. You guys know the drill. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Most of you guys do. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post more videos. I try to show as many videos to you guys as possible to help you guys out in every way. Everybody has different stores in different areas, so I like to help out each and every single one of you guys. But subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.